I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening the PSD and locating the text layer. Make sure it's not locked. Once selected, press T to activate the Type tool and click the copy you want to edit. Now highlight the characters or leave the insertion point to change the whole layer. Open the color picker in the options bar or character panel. Pick a hue that contrasts with the background so legibility stays intact. Then click OK to apply the new color and keep editing if needed. Once you've changed basic color, refine the result using the character panel for precise hex or RGB input. This ensures consistent branding. If you need non-destructive editing, open Layer Style and enable Color Overlay. Set blend mode and opacity to control interaction with textures. For complex layouts, create a clipping mask or duplicate the text and apply different overlays to each copy, which gives you highlights or shadows without altering the original type layer. Make adjustments until the visual balance is right. You're almost done. If you need pixel-level painting, rasterize a duplicate of the text layer, but save an editable PSD copy first. Then export using Export As or Save for Web to match required file formats and color profiles. If the color change fails, make sure the layer isn't locked, that you aren't editing a smart object without opening it, and that layer effects like color overlay aren't overriding type color. Resetting layer styles or toggling visibility quickly reveals the culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.